The Clone Wars were mere months away from ending, and many of Count Dooku's closest generals were dead, but Obi-Wan never believed Asajj Ventress actually died. He traveled to the outer rim planet of Trigalis in an attempt to chase down rumors. His point of contact was none other than Aayla Secura. The Jedi labeled New Coronet as a trading post, but all business was run by the Black Sun killer Xist. He was as proficient with the vibrowhip as Obi-Wan was with the lightsaber. Anakin and Obi-Wan were granted leave after a year of fighting on the front lines, and Anakin chose to use his time a little differently. Back in New Coronet, Kenobi stages a full-on assault on the Black Sun stronghold. Xist agrees to tell Obi-Wan what he knows about a pale white assassin, cutting down undercity Coruscant scavengers and beheading Jedi Masters. Xist knew he was outmatched, and agreed to tell the Jedi all that he knew. Anakin and Padme discussed the possibility that the war was nearly over, and Obi-Wan's obsession with finding Ventress. Anakin worried about his master fighting out there all alone. Xist couldn't confirm that Ventress was alive, but he knew that Dooku was sending his best assassin to take out his competition. Aayla begs Kenobi to ask Anakin for help. He could barely stand on his own, let alone fight. He knew exactly where to find his old Padawan.